Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at XRP and discuss what's happening with it and give you a brief outlook on how you can trade or basically, just wade through the market, which is kind of been selling off since the start of the day today. So let's get, before we get into the technicals, right, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated with the hottest trends in the crypto market and technical analysis, please make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto. And if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangyako with the 0 at the end. Right, let's get into XRP. After countless retests of 0.381 resistance level, the price has finally broken through its consolidation phase and is currently retesting the 0.34 support level. I would much prefer to, this is a good place to buy XRP, but if we could potentially get some sort of sweep of this liquidity pool here at 0.326, it would be a really good place to kind of open swing, not swing, but probably like a small day trade position where I could potentially expect XRP price to go up to 0.359. Now, from the current position, that is a 6% upswing, but let's see how things go from here. That's basically my take on XRP. The first level that I'm observing is this liquidity pool or equal lows formed at 0.3269. Beyond that, there is still a ton of liquidity pool here extending from 0.287 to 0.311. So these are the levels that I'm looking at. So from a 4-hour time frame perspective, not a lot has changed. 1 hour, nothing. 15 minutes. I feel like if you do this, I think once the price kind of recovers above the midpoint here, and if we get some sort of a move above this recent high, right, you could potentially wait for a pullback. So my trade plan for a lot of altcoins is basically this, right? Look at the last high, look at the last low. Just a sec, let me change this to this, right? So we have the last, once the price produces a higher high, you go back to the previous low and then you mark out the previous low and the previous high. So now we have a shift in the narrative where the price is trying to make a higher high. So this could potentially signal the price is going to go up, right? So how do you position for this? You wait for the price to kind of pull back, right? Look for important support levels for now. I think you either look at the 0.3382, which is the midpoint of this particular crash here, and then potentially long XRP with a stop loss below this or something like this. And you could just, if it's a very small trade, conservative trade, you could potentially do something like this and book profits around here. But if you're looking to play this FVG that is present here, extending from this point to this point here, 0.34 to 0.359, this FVG, then you could keep a wider stop loss and then expect the price to kind of move up here. This is a good 3-hour trade that I'm looking at. So far, I haven't found any confirmations to open a long position right away, but I would potentially go down on a much lower time frame and see if the price is willing to go higher if after we get a flip of this midpoint here. On top of that, if you just use your fib to mark out these levels here, yep, you can see that there's going to be quite a bit of struggle for the price to go above 0.347. So if you do long this and book profit somewhere around here, it's a good place to go. After the price does go up to this point, you could probably move your stop loss to break even and then expect the price to go all the way up to 0.359. That is basically my trade plan for a lot of altcoins. So yeah, that also kind of concludes my take on XRP from not just a short-term perspective, but also from a mid to long-term perspective on what I'm looking for XRP. So if you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to scalp altcoins with me, please make sure to join my Telegram group by clicking this link here. Right, that is pretty much it, guys. Have a good day. Have a great weekend.